And today, one cohort is getting graduated after going to come from East Khasi, Riboy, and maybe West Gardens. Today,
Next often leads the way. For lakhs, this story shows how demand is created. Again, a reminder that all of these enterprising entrepreneurs called out will be
Nangrai, I'm a farmer, producer, society.
I shook hands with all of you. The team was asking me, should we just put all the groups together and take a group picture? But I insisted that I would like to shake hands with all of you. And it's not just to click a picture. It is a hand that I'm extending to reassure to each and every one of you that challenges will be there, but our government will do its best to support each and every one of you through your journey. It was also an opportunity for 2 seconds when I looked into your eyes, and I hope all of you noticed that, to see that spark and see that excitement in your eyes. I took those 2 seconds to see the smile in your face. I keep telling people that one of the most satisfying moments for me is when I can make people smile. I always believe that. So I was really absorbing that moment. But I want to tell you that your journey is maybe just beginning. And you will have many, many challenges that come ahead. Prime has been set up to guide you through those challenges. We are not saying we can solve all of them. But if you find yourself in a journey where there is a lot of unknown and uncertainty in front of you, be assured that when you just look up, back of your shoulder, you will find the team of Prime there with you. And that's really what we are trying to do out here.